many things me I want know. I got the many places around the world where me I want go. I hate life like a suicide. I hate to see the people looking up to me looking so sad. All I want is just a good life. Guys.
Yeah. We are live at Car Waterside, going to the Oro Ninja for the first time in a long while.
Wow, Oro Ninja, that's the community we are going. Andoni, and right now we are at Car Waterside in River State. So, this is my first time being here. I think it's so nice place. It's fine, it's good. I like it. Whoa, look at that. That's a lady. That's a lady paddling the canoe. You know? Wow. Ikitozi. That's how they say Ikitozi. Ikitozi. Wow. We'll be going to the high sea. Into the high sea.